GCV, GCV, GCV 314159. Is GCV a reality? Can we use GCV in Pi network? I think this is the question that many partners are asking. What is GCV, first of all? Why is the price of Pi in the cryptocurrency exchanges at $1? It rose to 2 point something dollars and dropped back to today. Now it's at around 5 cents to 6 cents. So these are the questions that many people, most of us partners have been asking. So thank you. If you're on this channel, we are welcome. I'm going to address all these questions in this channel, immediate official. So subscribe and like the video. I'll be addressing these questions and many things about Pi network and many other crypto projects. So to start with, what is the meaning of GCV? GCV simply means global consensus value. Global consensus value, GCV. And GCV was started by Doris Yin, Madame Doris Yin, a Chinese that is resident in Canada. And we have so many team working with her, ambassadors who are promoting GCV. Is GCV from Dr. Nicholas? That's another question. GCV and the current price of Pi, is it from Dr. Nicholas? From the official information from picoin team is that the pioneers are the one that will determine the price of Pi. So now let's focus on this GCV. I'll answer the issue of who determines the price of Pi. So make sure you watch the end of this video, because most people are saying that why didn't the picoin team just announce that the price of Pi is $3,141,590, $314,159, $3,114,159. So the question is that, or the answer is this: the GCV value that you have today is what several pioneers have been planning, have been working towards to achieve. Now, the question is that why didn't the picoin team release the coin, the Pi coin, that day at GCV price? Why did they allow it to be launched in exchanges? Because before all this, for the past 6 years, we are told that that Pi is not like any other cryptocurrency. You know, that Pi is just for shopping online. Most of us have been waiting to use and shop the latest car, to buy, to travel abroad, to buy even private jet. But some people's hope are almost dashed now, or some persons are very, very, very disappointed with everything, even the picoin team. For some people, if they see Nicholas, they're going to arrest him. Or they're going to catch him today and beat him. That what happened? So, but I'm giving you my own research and the unbiased truth about what is happening on the cryptocurrency blockchain. On about Pi network and why the price is like this. Actually, we may have some blame to some persons. Some persons may have some blames that we can attribute to them. At the same time, there are some very important points that we need to understand. From my own research and from research of several experts, you know, cryptocurrency has been passing through adoption by the government, and now there are some rules that have been set that governs how cryptocurrency operates. Remember repo. Repo is one of the leading cryptocurrencies, or launched back the years. In fact, repo was among the first 3 or 4 coins that were launched after Bitcoin, Ethereum. I think repo was the next popular coin. Yes, as at then 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. So, but because the way they launched repo, that was what landed the repo founder in court. Why? They said they did not launch the repo in exchange. They did a pre-sale to institutions, promising it to be an investment with high returns. So now the new law in cryptocurrency is that one man or one person cannot. Okay, before I go to that, Ripple, what made Ripple have issue was that Ripple fixed the price of Ripple. The founder of Ripple fixed the price and sell it to government institutions as a fixed price and as an investment. So now no one is given the authority to fix the price of coin now. Definite price. It is the community that uses the coin today that will decide what the price of coin will be by the demand and supply, the utility of the coin. So if Dr. Nicholas, the Picoin team, should come out on that day and say the price of Pi is $100 or that $14159, it will land him in jail. Yes, like the Ripple founder, and that will drag Pi for under 10 years court processes. So the only way for him to be safe is to have launched the coin to exchanges. But now what the question is now is that at the time of launching the coin exchanges, which price was it supposed to be launched at? Because at least the listing price can be determined. You understand? Yes. This is where the Picoin team now may like to that we the partners may like to ask the Picoin team what was the suggested listing price. Picoin team will have maybe decided to launch the Pi at that $314,150. Yes, they don't list it. They let the market decide. So, but another question is that is there liquidity to back up such price? Because for Pi to be launched at that price in exchange, there must be liquidity. It's not air. It's not backed by air. It's real money. When they say liquidity, is real money. There must be real cash that will support such price for it to be listed at that price. So there are so many things. So this is just an intro on why the price of Pi, why GCV, why the current price of Pi. So to me, it's a collective effort from both the Picoin team, the pioneers, and the ambassadors to really work together. What most pioneers are asking is for a Picoin team to release the utility dApps. That there's more utility. More people are craving for the utility dApp to be released so that you can be using it online to can drive more utility for Pi. That's where most pioneers are asking questions. And then secondly, again, the Picoin team is also expecting the pioneers to register a map of Pi and start accepting Pi in what they are doing. Are you a akara woman? You are selling akara. You are a chemist man. You are selling. You have a store. You have a farm. You can start accepting Pi. That is what the Picoin team are expected of pioneers too. That is, she will register and start accepting Pi. Start transacting Pi. If everybody starts, if all pioneers today stop complaining and start accepting Pi at that 314,159, you are a keke driver, you are driving car, you are selling Pi. They want to go and buy for the person that is selling for accept Pi. The person that is in school accept Pi. That is what made the price to go like that. So that is what they're expecting of. That this is the summary of what is going on. I want to do more videos to explain. There are so much things to explain about Pi and so many things to talk about Pi. But this is just why GCV. I just explained the GCV and why the Pi price is dragging and what we need to do. So subscribe to this channel for more of these videos so that we can know what the best way to move and the best strategy to take. So thank you for watching and let me meet in the next video.